Somebody asked me the other day, why the export? Why you want to go out there? And of course, I want to be on top of my A game. Why my A game? Because things are changing, things are evolving to like what? Transitioning to like electric, more efficient, hybrid. It's just things are changing. Here in New York, as of 2023, that's right. There's all the new construction. It's all going to electric and heat pumps. What does that mean to us? I mean, if you're working in the boiler, heating business, plumbing, and you're dealing with oil and gas, you're doing gas conversions. Well, there's going to be more gas conversion, at least on the new construction. Anything that's before 2020, grandfathered in. So there's still going to be work out there, but it's good to know that, listen, that you understand electric, you understand oil, you understand gas, and understand heat pumps. Just like technology is constantly changing, it's the same thing in our business. So I tell anybody that wants to be in this industry, wants to be in this business, listen, you got to be on top of your A game. If you do not get involved now, you're going to be lost, you're going to be out of a job. And that's a great thing, because the people that put the time and effort to learn this type of business or build this skill and learn this skill, they're going to have a job forever. So they understand the new technology and the old technology. No difference than me, because I say the same thing, meaning like, listen, I know oil, I know gas. I'm still learning. I'm always learning. There's always something new to learn. But I also need to understand the heat pumps a lot better. I need to understand electric a lot better. And you know what? That's where I say the AHR Expo, because you get to meet these big willies, the manufacturer, and the manufacturer going to help you. Because why would they want to help you? Of course they want to help you. They want you to put their product in. If you ask me, dealing with the public is not easy. So I tell this to everybody who wants to be in this business or wants to open their own business. And I tell them, listen, don't think opening your business is going to be that easy, cut and dry, because it's not. Understand that you're going to put some time, effort. It took me a long time. I've been doing this since I'm 19, 20 years old. I'm 41. And I would say it's within the last 5 to 10 years that I can start seeing the seed that I planted years ago and I kept watering throughout the years. Now I'm starting to see like, wow, it's starting to happen. Meaning like it's growing. People know me. I have a name out there. They say, Louis Waller, man, Louis Waller. Yes, and referrals. And that means a lot, because when you're in business, you don't want to just, granted you want to do marketing. I think marketing is very important. As you guys know, I'm very big into marketing. When you build relationships throughout the years, you know what? Those people are going to become repeat customers. They'll become clients, become family, and they know you. And guess what? What's the best form of advertising? When somebody refers you, which I do believe that's the old school way. But we are in a day and age that you can't just solely depend on that. You have to depend on Google, other platforms, reviews. So it's very important. So that's why when somebody asks me why the AHR show, those are some of the reasons why. I got many more other reasons, but this is just some of them. That's what it is.